Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to use vinyl and cut a design with the ScanNCut machine. You can use any design you like. I'm just using one of the inbuilt designs in the machine at the moment. So I've got my mat already loaded up, which I'll show you in a minute, but we'll just choose a design for now. So I'm going to go into this section, choose a flower, I'm going to choose this one. Going to make the height about 1.75 inches and say OK, OK and set, and it's on my mat there. Just going to move it down a little. Now I would say I've got my blade set on 1, and just going into here I've got my cut pressure set on 1. Normally my cut pressure's on about 3 or 4 for when I'm doing any other type of material or card or paper or fabric, but I've taken it down to 1. So I've got a blade depth of 1, cut pressure of 1 and cut speed of 5. I never touch the speed, I always leave it on 5. I'm going to scan my mat because I've already got a small piece of vinyl on my mat, which I will show you in a minute. Okay, you can see that. I've got a piece of yellow vinyl. I'm just going to drag the flower down and put it there. And if I just try and move back a little, you'll see there's the vinyl on my mat. So I'm just going to say OK on the machine now and cut. Oh, sorry, I'm going to go back. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to click on Add, go back to patterns, going to go in here and just choose a square, and I'm going to take the measurement down because we know the flower was 1.75. Going to take this down to about 2 inches and say OK, and I'm going to drag that around my flower, and it's not big enough, so I need to come back into here and make it bigger. You don't have to do this. This is just a weeding box, it's called. It's just to help me just going to line it up a little bit more around my flowers, just to help when I come to cut it. That looks okay. Okay, and now I'm just going to say OK and cut. Okay, so that's done. I'm going to unload my mat. I'm going to turn that off and move that out of the way so you can see. And the reason I put the weeding box around is so that I can lift it up out of the way, and it should leave my flower behind. You can see that. And then you need a piece of transfer tape. Now, mine's perfectly clear. It looks white, but that's the backing. Sometimes it looks like masking tape. You could use masking tape for a design like this. You could put layers of masking tape across. But this is what I'm using for now. Now this is shiny here and it's sticky here. So I'm going to peel that off there. I'm going to place that over my flower. And then you need something like this or a credit card, and you need to burnish over your design. In my case, over my flower. Then you peel back. If you can see this very well, you peel back your transfer tape, and this isn't coming off, so you just go back over it and then you peel it back, and it isn't working. It's when you want it to work and it's not working. and it should start to pick up your design. And it isn't. I am trying to do this so you can see it on camera, so it's not, I'm not at the best angle, but we'll see. We'll try it from this side and see if it picks it up. And give it a bit of a helping hand. It doesn't seem to want to pick this vinyl up. There you go. Okay, so you've now got your sticky with your vinyl. Can you see it there? Sorry about this, I'm working backwards, so okay. And then you would get your surface that you want to put your design on. In my case, mobile phone. Place that on there. Again, you need to burnish it down. So if this was on glass or a door or a wall, you need to burnish it all down, and then you peel the sticky away and it leaves the vinyl behind. Okay, so we got there in the end. So I hope that's helpful. Please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to leave me any questions or comment in the box below. Thank you.